starting up season 3 shocking. So let's get started with this. And this is the first time I am filming with this duplicate can. It's not really called a duplicate can. It's a little trash can that you can use, that you can organize stuff for your desk, if you even have one. If you're in kindergarten, yeah. First grade, maybe. Second grade, yes. The last grade of all, yes. So, we already have some duplicates for the duplicate can, like the refrigerator. The thingy-mabobber. The hat. Let's toast. Lizzie Losa. There. There. Yeah. These two are not duplicates. And I'm so excited because I don't have Secret Santa. Oh yeah. I really can't tell. This is a hard one. Addie must open. Addie must open. Addie must open. Please do not be a duplicate. Please be a limited edition. Please be limited edition. It's a duplicate. Even though it's a chopped frost, it's duplicate. It's the hat. Okay, I can't tell. Must open. I know it's not going to feel limited edition. It is a duplicate on these. We are actually filling this up. I have this. Which so there's limited editions in there. Okay, there we go. Oops. 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 This is a duplicate. I think. No, I'm just skipping it out. Yeah, it's a duplicate, I'm guessing. Okay, this one is a toughie to get out. Oh yeah, this is a beret. Please be yellow. Please be yellow. Please be yellow. Yes, it's yellow. It's only 3 non-duplicates. I have very bad luck. Very. I have a bunch of bad luck in here. This is actually called my bad luck can. Da, da, da. I have a bunch to paint.
Are you still recording or are you done?
Okay. So tell me which shop can you like the most, and I will do a picture slideshow. So comment and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, and comment and tell me in the comments. Tell me if you want me to do another video with the trash with the duplicate can. So comment and subscribe. Hope you like it. And that's all for today. Bye. I'm getting off so I can do the picture slideshow.